Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the taskbar appears unresponsive or not loading properly on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to taskbar and go to task manager, and you just search for Windows Explorer. Scroll down to end, and here is Windows Explorer. Right click on it and you just need to restart it. And let's move on to the next step guys. This is get processing. Wait for it done. After done, close out of here and go to search menu and type cmd and run as administrator. Click yes. Now type here sfc space slash scanmow. Press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification pace of system scan, verification 1%, this need to get 100% guys. After finishing this 100%, go ahead and restart your computer. Hopefully that can able to resolve the problem guys, the taskbar issue. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.